In this video, I'm going to show you how to create motion graphics like a pro. We're going to be using Capcut to do this with text, so let's get into the video. Alright, first we add text and add effects to it to make the wall our ball will bounce off of. You can type an underscore, dash, or vertical bar. Add effects like a glow or shadow. Now for the ball, make a bullet or dot, even a degree symbol. Place it where it should fall from and add 2 keyframes about half a second away from each other. On the second keyframe, place it on the wall. To make it bounce, add 2 more frames ahead at the same distance. On the in-between frame, make the ball go up a bit. This is how it should look. Good, once you've completed that, it's time to move on. Let's now make the ball roll off a tilted wall. Add a 3rd keyframe and place it on the edge. Then add a 4th one where the ball should fall. In between, create a new frame and make it follow a circular motion. It's time to add a partial bounce, create 2 in-betweens, and on the first one, make it go up slightly. Perfect, check it out. On the next 2, it should be pretty easy, so I'll just shortly explain them. For the throw, make the ball follow an arch motion, and when it hits the wall, make it move back about 1/3 of the power. Do not add a bounce to it at all. Also remember to have it move down. Moving on to the next one, the wall should be a bracket and set the font to Comic Sans. Add about 5 frames in between the 2nd and the 3rd keyframes to keep the motion smooth. When it reaches the edge, make it float and fall with an ease motion, which I taught in the previous video. All right, you are now a pro at motion graphics. If you want to learn how to create 3D text animations like a master, click here.